Hello and welcome to this video walking from Suvarnabhumi Airport to the Novotel Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport Hotel. Go to the B floor, basement floor of Suvarnabhumi Airport. Follow the sign, Airport Hotel, go straight. Airport Hotel, go straight. Airport Hotel, turn left. Another sign with Airport Hotel. It is the same way to the express line of the airport rail link. At the intersection, keep walking on the left side. Here is the intersection, keep walking on the left sign. Here is the intersection, keep walking on the left sign. Another sign, Airport Hotel, go straight. On the right side, you will pass Smile Luggage Storage. Another sign, to Novotel Airport Hotel, walk straight. On the right side, you will pass the Avantgarde Capsule Hotel. And then on both sides, you will pass the Boxtel Hotel. To Novotel Airport, go straight. At the intersection, turn left or right. To Novotel Airport, go straight. It looks a bit abandoned here, but keep walking straight. To Novotel Airport, go straight. Turn left. Turn right. And go up the stairs. Novotel Hotel. Turn right 50 meters to the lobby. Go up with the escalator. Turn left. There is the building, Novotel Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport Hotel. Now you entered the hotel building. There is the hotel reception / check-in counter. The hotel reception / check-in counter. You have now arrived at Novotel Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport Hotel. If you don't want to walk, there is a free shuttle available at exit / entry gate 4 on the second floor, the arrivals floor of Suvarnabhumi Airport. There you can find a special Novotel Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport hotel desk. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.